Hey everyone, welcome back to Rayyan. In today's video, we are diving into LeetCode 501 Find the mode in a binary search tree. If you are ever wondered how to efficiently find the most frequent values in a BST, this problem is a must know for coding interviews and real world scenarios. We are break it down step by step, understanding the logic and implement of clean and optimized solution in Python. So grab your coffee, button and let's master this problem together. So let's get started. So let's start to solve our 501 question by find mode in a binary search tree. So let's start. First of all, we will understand the question carefully and then we will start to solving it. Now, it has been given me the root of a binary search tree and in the short form you will be called it BST with duplicates. Now, our task is in today's video we will return all the mode rounded bracket s, for example, the most frequently occurred element in it. If the tree has more than one mode, then we return them in any order. If tree has more than one mode, so we will be return them in any type of order. Now, assume that a BST means a binary search tree is defined as follows. Like first, the left subtree of a node contains only nodes with a key less than or equal to the node's key. Number 2, the right subtree of a node can contain only nodes with keys greater than or equal to the node's key. Number 3, both the left and right subtrees must also be a binary search tree. These are the three binary search tree defined as follows. Now let's see our case 1. In the case 1, here he gave me a diagram like 1 2 3 1 1 1 2 2. Here he created one binary search tree like 1 2 2. Now here he created one integer array by the name of root in which he wrote in down 1 null and then 2 2. The output has been coming 2. Now here he wrote in down root and then here he gave one integer array by the name of root in which he wrote in down 0 and output has been coming also be 0. So in our case 1 our output will become 2, in our case 2 our output will become 0, and these are the constraints which you will be used to solve this question. Here it give me the follow up. Could you do that without using any extra space? Means that it is giving me the challenge. It is saying me, could you do it without using any extra space? Assume that the implicit stack space incurred due to recursion does not count. Okay, this is the one follow up. So now let's start to solve a 501 question by the name find mode in a binary search tree. So let's start to solve this question. Now first of all, this is our question, easy one question which we are solving in today's video, and we are solving this question in the Python 3. Okay, like you all the people know, any question we solve in the Python 3. And let's see the topic question about tree, depth first search, binary search tree and binary tree. And 1.9 thousand people has submitted this and only 3 lakh people has been accepted. So that means it has been a little bit hard, but now let's start to solve it, but I will be solve it in an easy one. Okay, like a easy one. So let's start. So first of all, we define a class of a solution in the code. So you are thinking, why define a class of a solution in the code? Because this is a rule of a LeetCode camp. Whenever we start to solve any question, so there is a rule, we define a class of a solution. So let's unzoom it now. Def keyword find mode self comma root semicolon opti null. Okay, and define here square bracket tree node minus greater than list in then semicolon then enter. Now here I define a def keyword in order traversal, then here we define node and then semicolon then enter, then non-local current then val comma current then count and then max count comma modes. Now if not code node, here you not write code, you write here node enter. Now return, here you write return, enter back enter, in order traversal node dot left enter. Now current count equals to current count plus 1 if statement node.val equals to current val else 1 then space enter. Current val node.val. Perfect. Enter. Now when we do this all the thing, enter if current count greater than max count semicolon max count equals to current count. Perfect. And then when we do this now modes equals to current val and if current count equals to max count semicolon then enter. Now when we do this all the things, so here I define modes dot append, and like you all the people know what is the meaning of append. Append means it will be joined two things together or it has been merged two things together. Rounded brackets current val, enter press and then back enter in order traversal node dot write enter. Perfect. And back enter. Now define here current val. Now we are defining the last lines of code. Now none, and none ends will be in capital. If you do not your ends will be not capital, so it will be must be give you the error in the runtime. Max count equals to 0, modes equals to semicolon enter in order traversal root return modes. Perfect. Now we do this all the things. So let's see the running code. Now when I run this code, so I hope it not give me any error. So it has been accepted. Our case whenever expected output is 2 and my also output has been coming 2. So in the case 2 the expected output is 0 and my also output has been coming 0. So let's see the submission code. So when I submit this code, the submission of this code is also be perfect. Let's see. So it has been perfect. It has been accepted. So we solved in 1 milliseconds and I beat 87.80% people. Okay, and now here you can see it in the runtime. So let's see this and I have also submit this. So I hope you enjoy this video, because in today's video we solve a 501 question by find a mode in a binary search tree. If you enjoy this video, so like, share, subscribe and don't forget to all the notification bell also, so you don't miss these type of videos on this channel. So now anyways, let's meet you in the next class and next very amazing class like that type of videos on this channel of the Rayyan. So now anyways, so for today, goodbye.